Hey guys, it's Chris from Fix Fitbits, and today we're back to show you how to replace a screen on a Fitbit Ionic. For those of you that are watching from Europe, all of the parts used in this video today are available from us, so if you want to buy a screen or the tools used in the repair, follow the link in our description. So as you can see, the first step is removing the straps, which is done simply by applying pressure to the strap holders on the inside of your device. The next step is to remove the screen itself, in which you will need to apply some heat. We tend to focus on the side opposite the Fitbit logo in order to avoid damaging any of the ribbons, and once we've managed to pry under that side, you will either need to apply heat to both sides next to it, or if you're fortunate as we are today, the screen will simply pry away from the device. The screen at fault in this tutorial had some water damage, so presumably the compromised seal had something to do with the screen coming off so easy. This is not always the case, so if you're having a bit more trouble than we are with your screen, just keep applying heat slowly and consistently. We set our heat gun at 150 Celsius. Once you're on the inside, you'll need to remove the metal shield by removing the two screws at either corner, so you can proceed to move the ribbons. You will then want to remove any glue that remains on the housing so that when you re-glue the device, the screen fits nice and snug. Your replacement screen attaches with two ribbons simply by applying some pressure, along with the additional ribbon followed by the metal shield. Remember to screw the shield back in with its two screws, and then you're ready to re-glue your device. We use this T8000 adhesive that we'd recommend to our customers. Just apply along the edge of the housing, wipe any glue that escapes, and then you can secure with either an elastic band or a vise, and then let it set for 24 hours. The repair is relatively simple, so anyone with a steady hand might fancy themselves with this one. If you want to buy a Fitbit Ionic screen, be sure to contact us, as we have the lowest sale price on the market. If you want us to repair your Fitbit for you, please visit our website at www.fixfitbits.co.uk.